Assalamu alaikum students, this is your Miss Sadia from Chemistry Department. Welcome to my channel Evo Chemistry. Students, today we are going to discuss concentration units molarity. Yes students, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि मोलारिटी क्या है और उससे रिलेटेड जितने भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं उनको देखेंगे. So let's start. Molarity. Molarity is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved per dm cube of solution. Molarity is also a concentration unit, right? We use it whenever we have a volume in dm cube. Molarity में हम वॉल्यूम को dm cube में लेते हैं या फिर लीटर में. And the formula of molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. यानी कि कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट को लीटर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में डिसॉल्व किया जाए तो उस सॉल्यूशन की मोलैरिटी या कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कितनी होगी, राइट? मोलैरिटी भी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की एक यूनिट है जिसमें हम किसी भी सॉल्यूशन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोलैरिटी चेक करते हैं. इससे पहले हमने कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को इन टर्म्स ऑफ परसेंटेज डिस्कस किया था. मोलैरिटी में हम वॉल्यूम को हमेशा डीएम क्यूब में लेते हैं और हम इसमें चेक करते हैं कि डीएम क्यूब ऑफ सॉल्यूशन में कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट प्रेजेंट हैं जो कि उस सॉल्यूशन की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को बताएंगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोलैरिटी. नेक्स्ट, प्रॉब्लम्स इन्वॉल्विंग द मोलैरिटी ऑफ अ सॉल्यूशन. यस स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम मोलैरिटी के न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. Calculate the molarity of 0.05 moles of KMnO4 solution in 600 cm cube. Have number of moles of KMnO4 0.05 and while the volume we have 600 cm cube. So we first make the data. Volume of a solution is 600 cm cube and in molarity we take the volume in dm cube. So we will convert it into the dm cube. So when we divide cm cube by 1000 we get the volume in dm cube, that is 0.6 dm cube. Now moles of KMnO4 we have 0.05 moles and molarity we don't know. So we will apply the formula and find the molarity. Now solution is, as we know, molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. Students, we have both number of moles of solute and dm cube of solution. So we will put the values in this formula and get the molarity. Put the values in above formula. Molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. Yes, moles are 0.05 and we have volume in dm cube 0.6. So we get the molarity 0.083 molar. Yes, M, capital M is the unit for molarity. Right? Now another problem regarding the molarity of a solution is that calculate the molarity of a solution of 40 gram of urea dissolved in 500 cm cube of solution. हमें एक ऐसे सॉल्यूशन की मोलैरिटी फाइंड करनी है जिसमें यूरिया की अमाउंट 40 ग्राम है जबकि वॉल्यूम है 500 cm क्यूब. सबसे पहले हम डेटा बनाएंगे. मास ऑफ यूरिया इज़ 40 ग्राम. Volume of solution is 500 cm cube. But in molarity we use the volume in dm cube. So we will convert it into the dm cube by dividing 1000. Now we get 0.5 dm cube. And the molar mass of urea is 60 gram per mole. Students, you already know about how to find the molar mass of urea. Now molarity. What would be the molarity of a solution? Now our solution, as we know, moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. As you know students, we have the mass of urea 40 gram. We don't have the number of moles. So first we will find the moles, then we will put into the molarity formula. So by applying the formula of moles, we get the number of moles of urea. Mass of urea is 40 and the molar mass of urea is 60. So by this way we get the number of moles of urea is equal to 0.667 moles. These are the number of moles of urea, right? Now number of moles, as we have calculated 0.667 moles. Now put the values in the formula of molarity. So we will put the number of moles of solute and we will divide them by the dm cube of solution. So we get 1.33 m. M stands for molarity, or it is the unit of molarity. So by this way we get the molarity is equal to 1.33 m. Now self-assessment exercise 6.4. Potassium chlorate is a white solid. It is used in making matches and dyes. Calculate the molarity of solution that contains part A. 1.5 moles of this compound dissolves in 250 cm cube of solution. B. 75 gram of this compound dissolved to produce 1.25 dm cube of solution. Part C. What is the molarity of a 50 cm cube sample of potassium chlorate solution that yields 0.25 gram residue after evaporation of the water? Yes, students, we will solve these parts one by one. So let's start. Part 1. 1.5 moles of this compound dissolved in 250 cm cube of solution. Number of moles of potassium chlorate is equal to 1.5 moles. Volume of a solution is 250 cm cube. But we require the volume in dm cube. So we will convert them into the dm cube. 250 divided by 1000, we get the 0.25 dm cube of a solution. And molarity, we have to find the molarity. So our solution would be, as we know, molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. Put the values in above formula and get the molarity. We get the molarity 6 m. Now part B. 75 gram of this compound dissolved to produce 1.25 dm cube of solution. Data. सबसे पहले हम डेटा बनाएंगे. Mass of potassium chlorate is 75 gram. Volume of solution is 1.25 dm cube. Students, according to this part, we have the following data, right? Now, molarity we don't know. Students, in this part, we have the mass of potassium chlorate, not the number of moles. And the volume is 1.25 dm cube. So, whenever we have the mass, not the moles, so what should we do? Let's see. Solution. Molarity is equal to moles of solute per dm cube of solution. Students, आप इस molarity की formula में देखिए number of moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. But question में हमें mass given है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. तो सबसे पहले हम नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट को फाइंड करेंगे, फिर हम मोलारिटी के फॉर्मूला में इसको पुट करके मोलारिटी फाइंड करेंगे, राइट? Number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. So students, by this way we can find the number of moles of potassium chlorate easily. Students, this is the molar mass of potassium chlorate, 122.5 gram per mole. So you already know how to calculate the molar mass. We have already discussed them a lot. Now we can easily put the values in moles formula and we get the moles. 75, we have the mass and molar mass is 122.5 gram. So we get the number of moles 0.6122 moles. Now students, after calculating the number of moles, Now we can easily calculate the molarity. And you know, molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. Put the values in above formula. Molarity is equal to number of moles 0.6122 divided by 1.25, that is the dm cube of solution. We get the molarity 0.489 molar. So students, by this way we get the molarity 0.489 molar. Now part C. What is the molarity of a 50 cm cube sample of potassium chlorate solution that yields 0.25 gram residue after evaporation of the water? Yes, सबसे पहले हम डेटा बनाएंगे. Mass of potassium chlorate is 0.25 gram and volume of a solution is 50 cm cube. We have to convert it into dm cube by dividing by 1000, so we get the 0.05 dm cube of a solution. And molarity, we don't know. Molar mass of potassium chlorate is 122.5 gram per mole. We have already calculated it in a previous part. Now solution, what would be our solution? As we know, molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. Students, can we apply this formula directly as we don't have number of moles of potassium chlorate? Yes, we cannot apply this formula directly. So first we will find the number of moles, then we will apply the molarity formula to find the molarity of a solution. Therefore, moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass. Mass is given is 0.25. The molar mass of potassium chlorate is 122.5. So by this we get the number of moles is equal to 0.0020 moles. Now molarity. Molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by dm cube of solution. Now we can put the values in molarity formula. By this way we get the molarity 0.04 molar. Viewers, it was all about today's lecture. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss self-assessment exercise 6.5. Take care of yourself till next video. Allah Hafiz.